Pepperoni Cheese Crisps only takes 3 ingredients: a sheet pan and some parchment paper. This is perfect for game day parties or any holiday you want to entertain. Perfect with cocktails, served with marinara sauce and crackers on the side. You guys want to see how to make this delicious, super delicious snack, appetizer? Keep watching. Hey everyone, got a great recipe for you tonight. This is Pepperoni Cheese Crisps. It's excellent for appetizer, game day, kids snack, or and definitely for the holidays. 3 ingredients. You need a sheet tray, which I'm not counting as an ingredient. You need pepperoni, 20 slices. Mozzarella cheese, shredded, 1 cup. And the parsley makes it look better. So I have my oven set to 400 degrees. Let's get cooking. You want to take the pepperoni, and they only cook for 7 to 10 minutes in the oven. And the recipe calls for 20. So you want to lay these out. You know my channel is all about quick, fast, easy meals for people who don't want to cook, don't like to cook, don't want to cook. And I try to upload 2 videos a week and always include an inspirational quote and tell a controversial joke. And I thought you guys would love this, especially for the holidays or game days. You can serve this with marinara sauce or crackers, whatever you like. Coming out 20. That's 20. And you just want to sprinkle a little bit of cheese on each one. And you can definitely get more than 20 of these out of a cup of mozzarella. And the parsley just makes them look appetizing, so you definitely want to make sure you add that to it. You guys know I always upload an inspirational quote and tell a controversial joke. Those of you who have been here before, welcome back. Yeah, the parsley is what really makes them look pretty. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and put these in the oven for 7 to 10 minutes and come back and show you guys how these look. There they are after 7 minutes. My oven gets really, really hot. See how delicious those look? I'm going to let them cool and then get everything set up and tell you guys my joke. And always, I want to thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share. More importantly, comment. I respond to all comments, and those that know me know I still work time as a full-time nurse. And just to throw something in there, I'm going to be going out for breast cancer surgery. For those of you who follow me faithfully, if you believe in God, please say a prayer, leave me a message or some words of wisdom. There you have it, perfect appetizer, pepperoni cheese crisps, come together in about 15 minutes, and that's 20 of them. So if you're going to have a party, I would definitely make 2 or 3 trays of these. And as you see, they are really crispy and soft. And I'd serve them with crackers and marinara on the side, and they keep perfectly in the refrigerator in a Ziploc bag. So I'm going to show you guys my joke. A young man went into confession and told the priest, "Forgive me, Father, if I have sinned." "What have you done?" asked the priest. "A few weeks ago I went to the library. I remained there until closing time. I was about to go home. Rain started pouring down. It was so intense, so I had to wait in the library. I waited for a while with a librarian who was young, attractive, and single. Then one thing led to another, and I ended up sleeping with her. The man stopped talking and kept weeping. "Well, don't cry. It's a sin, but it's not that bad. You should say 5 Hail Marys and all shall be forgiven, said the priest. But it doesn't end there, Father. The man kept sobbing. A few days later, my elderly neighbor asked me to help her with her computer. Her husband was hospitalized and she couldn't send an email to her son. I went there. I fixed the problem. But when I was about to leave, rain started pouring down. It was really stormy and I had to wait. One thing led to another and I ended up sleeping with the old lady, the man cried. Oh dear, well that makes it harder indeed, but still, you should say 15 Hail Marys and you shall be forgiven, said the priest. I'm afraid the worst part is still ahead. Father, cried the man. Yesterday I went to the barber. I was the last client that day. As soon as he finished, I was about to leave. The rain started pouring down so intensely I had to wait with him. One thing led to another and I ended up sleeping with him as well. The man cried. My dear, indeed, it's worse than I thought, said the priest. So what should I do, Father? The man asked. Well, the priest said, well, you should get the hell out of here before it starts raining. I thought that was super funny. I cracked up when I read that. Thought you guys would enjoy that video. I'm Catholic, no disrespect to any religions or any Catholics. Please give this recipe a try. It's really delicious, and like I said, they're crispy. And I put them in a Ziploc bag. I only made 20, but 20 is no way near enough if you're gonna have a party. So do a couple sheet trays or do them in batches. So as always, I want to thank you guys for watching. God bless. And I pray to see you on the next one, and keep checking with me. You know, my channel is all about quick, fast, easy meals for people who don't want to cook, don't like to cook, don't know how to cook. God bless and have a good evening.